The Waltham 8 Days Traveler is one of the most iconic travel clocks ever created. Compact, reliable, and built for a world in motion, it represents a time when mechanical precision was essential for every journey. Today, we're taking a closer look at its history, design, and why it remains so admired. The Waltham Watch Company, founded in the 1800s in Massachusetts, became a pioneer of American watchmaking. They introduced industrialized precision manufacturing, supplying accurate timepieces for railroads, automobiles, and military use. By the early 20th century, Waltham focused on creating instruments for travelers, people who needed dependable timekeeping far from home. From this philosophy came the 8 Days Traveler, a robust clock capable of running a full week with just one wind. The heart of this clock is its powerful 8-day movement. Designed to operate for roughly 8 days on a single full wind, it offered long-lasting reliability during extended trips. Many versions used Waltham's large 37-size movement, originally designed for early automobile dashboards. This meant strong mainsprings, large balance wheels, and sturdy construction that could withstand vibration, dust, and sudden temperature changes. For a traveler or a driver in the 1920s and 30s, this wasn't just a convenience, it was a necessity. Models of the Waltham 8 Days Traveler came in different styles. Some were housed in elegant folding leather cases, transforming into small desk clocks perfect for hotel rooms and train compartments. Others took the form of rugged car clocks, with thick bezels and durable crystals designed to be mounted directly into dashboards. Regardless of the version, all focused on legibility, durability, and reliability. Many included a power reserve indicator, a small up/down gauge showing how many days of power remained. Today, the Waltham 8 Days Traveler is cherished by collectors and horology enthusiasts. It represents the golden era of American craftsmanship, when mechanical engineering was solving real problems for real travelers. Its steady ticking tells the story of early automobiles, long-distance train rides, and a world where a dependable clock could define the success of a journey. More than a tool, it is a reminder of how beautifully crafted and mechanically impressive everyday objects once were. The Waltham 8 Days Traveler is a timeless piece of history, part instrument, part companion, and part engineering marvel. Whether on a desk, in a collection, or mounted in a vintage automobile, it continues to inspire those who appreciate the art and mechanics of true watchmaking.